basket. A container used to hold items. I'll use a basket instead of a cart. My basket is almost full. Cash. Money in the form of bills and coins. I paid in cash. Do you have cash or card? Refund. Money returned when an item is given back. They offer refunds for returns. I got a refund for the broken items. Frozen. Kept at a very low temperature to stay fresh. I like frozen berries in smoothies. The frozen section has good deals. Fresh. Recently made, picked, or prepared, not old. Fresh vegetables are over there. I prefer fresh bread. Spicy. Having a strong, hot flavor. I like spicy salsa. Are these chips spicy? Sweet. Tasting sugary or pleasant. This juice is very sweet. Sweet fruit are my favorite. Salty. Tasting of salt. I want something salty like chips. These crackers are too salty. Can or canned. A metal container for storing food or drinks. I'll get a can of beans. Canned soup is quick to make. Bagged. Items sold in bags. We need bagged peppers. Bagged snacks are on sale. Packaged. Pre-wrapped items ready to buy. Check the packaged meats. Packaged goods are convenient. Jar. A glass container with a lid. We're out of peanut butter jars. This jar is hard to open. Carton. A box often made of cardboard for liquids like milk. Cartons of milk are in the fridge. Grab a carton of eggs. Baked goods. Foods made by baking, like bread and pastries. The baked goods smell nice. Let's buy some baked goods for dessert. Shelf-stable. Food that can be stored at room temperature. Rice is shelf-stable. Canned foods are shelf-stable. In bulk. In large amounts. Buying rice in bulk saves money. They sell pasta in bulk here. Condiments. Toppings like ketchup or mustard added to food. We're out of condiments. Ketchup is my favorite condiment. Grocery list. A list of items to buy at the store. I made a grocery list. Let's stick to the grocery list. Plastic bag. A bag made of plastic for carrying items. Would you like a plastic bag? A plastic bag. Reusable bag. A bag that can be used multiple times. Bring a reusable bag to save plastic. I always carry a reusable bag. Staple foods. Basic foods needed regularly, like bread or rice. Rice and beans are staple foods. We need staple foods like bread and potatoes. Organic. Grown without synthetic chemicals. Organic apples are on sale. Do you prefer organic veggies? Non-dairy. Not containing milk or dairy products. Non-dairy milk is in aisle 3. Is this yogurt non-dairy? Imported. Brought in from another country. These are imported cheeses. Imported fruits are more expensive. Household items. Everyday items used at home. We need household items like soap. Household items are in the next aisle. Pantry. A storage place for food. Let's restock the pantry. The pantry is almost empty. Perishable. Items that spoil quickly if not stored properly. Milk is perishable, so keep it cold. Don't forget perishable foods. Heavy. Having a lot of weight. This bag of flour is heavy. I need help with the heavy items. Light. Not heavy, easy to carry. These bags are light. I'll carry the light bags. Cleaning supplies. Products used to clean. I need cleaning supplies for home. Cleaning supplies are in the back. Deli. A store section with ready-to-eat foods. I love fresh food from the deli. Let's get some cheese from the deli. Frozen meals. Pre-made meals kept frozen for quick cooking. Frozen meals are easy to cook. I need some frozen meals for work. Flavorful. Full of flavor. The sauce is very flavorful. I prefer flavorful soups. Instant. Quick to prepare. We need instant coffee. Instant noodles are great for quick meals. Beverage. A drink of any type. Let's pick a cold beverage. Beverages are over there. Seasonal. Available during a specific time of the year. Seasonal fruits are cheaper. Let's buy seasonal produce. cashback. Money returned when spending on a card. Does this card offer cashback? I like cards that offer cashback. Express lane. A place in a store where people who have few items can pay for them quickly. Let's use express lane. Express lane is for small items. Best before date. The date after which food or drink begins to lose its quality or taste. Examples: check the best before date. Have you checked the best before date? Healthy. Good for your health. I'm looking for healthy snacks. Are these chips healthy? Snack. A small amount of food between meals. Let's buy some snacks. This is my favorite snack. Eco-friendly. Not harmful to the environment. They sell eco-friendly bags here. These are eco-friendly products. On sale. Items sold at a reduced price. This item is on sale today. Check if it's on sale. Bargain. A good deal or discount. That's a good bargain. I love finding bargains. Cartwheel. The wheels on a shopping cart. The cartwheel is stuck. One of the wheels is broken. Quantity. The amount of something. What quantity do we need? Check the quantity before buying. Expiration. The date after which food is not safe to eat. Check the expiration on milk. The product has expired.